Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757 2012 Honda Accord starter relay location. This is your fuse box. There's the cover, I already took it off. And here's your starter relay. So the starter relay is going to be sitting down like that. So I just replaced this one. And in order to get it out, all you have to do is pull this clip forward. There's a small clip. You can see my fingernail on it. Let's see if I can zoom in. Right there. And you just pull it back, and the other side, and you slide it up. Once you get it out, you'll see 3 connectors. That'll be on this one. This is the old one. And all you have to do is push it on the tab, slide it out, and you can't mess them up because they only fit in one way. This is the location of a Honda Accord 2012 starter relay. It is a whole bunch of them built in together. You're going to have to get it from the dealership. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.